Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to recover deleted Safari history on your iPhone, so you can try to find previously visited websites even after they have been removed. So, let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone. You can normally check your browsing history by tapping on the book icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on the clock icon to view your history. However, if you have already cleared your history or deleted entries, you will need to try alternative methods. Now, for the first method, you can check Safari website data. Go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Then scroll to the bottom and tap on Advanced. At the top, tap on Website Data. This section shows stored data like cookies and cache from websites you have visited. Once it loads, you may see a list of websites that still have stored data on your device. Even if your browsing history was deleted, some websites may still appear here because their data has not been fully removed. This can help you identify sites you previously visited. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the DelfStack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, for the second method, you can check iCloud Sync Safari history. Go back to Settings and tap on your name at the top. Then tap on iCloud and select Show All. Find Safari in the list and make sure it is turned on. If Safari syncing is enabled, your browsing history may be available on other Apple devices linked to the same Apple ID. You can then check another device such as an iPad, Mac, or another iPhone connected to your account. Open Safari on that device and look at the history there. Sometimes, the deleted history may still be available on another device if it has not yet fully synced. These methods can help you recover or at least identify previously visited websites, even after the history has been cleared. That's it. You have successfully learned how to recover deleted Safari history on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.